From the outside, it's hard to envision what's happening inside this metal building just off Highway 183 in Rocky, Oklahoma. But once you walk into Tall Pauls Meatball Company and Bakery, you'll quickly understand.
It's making people feel good.
With a home-cooked meal,
I love comfort food.
Dana Paul Early is Tall Paul. He and his wife Jerry opened the full-service restaurant for the community.
People come from everywhere to come to Tall Pauls, and if you saw Tall Paul, you know why it's called Tall Pauls.
While Paul admits he isn't all that tall, as the name suggests, the dishes on the menu, however, are off the charts.
We work the recipes on every one of them to be the best flavors that we could get. I tell them it's my little laboratory back there, and that's what it is.
I feel like that we come to work every day and we put our heart into it.
Before opening the restaurant, the couple started out in a concession trailer, offering up 9 different flavors of meatballs, like chicken fried, smoked, and Italian.
Those are the 3 favorites of all of our customers that we have.
While meatballs are their specialty, like this sub, which is smothered with grilled onions, mozzarella cheese, and bacon, since they opened the restaurant in 2017, the menu has expanded to offer much, much more.
We do a lot of different smoking.
Out back, Paul keeps his smokers full of ribs, brisket, pulled pork, and even prime rib.
Everybody knows slower the better.
Sometimes 20 to 30 hours depending on the cut of meat, and the customers notice the difference.
This is the first time we've had the ribs. If you would have been here a little bit ago, you would have seen a pile of bones because they were wonderful. They fell off of the bone.
The restaurant also offers hamburgers with homemade buns, and its top seller right now, fried catfish. And for dessert, apple dumplings a la mode.
So I'm having dessert first because I couldn't resist the dumplings with ice cream. But then we're dividing a burger because they're about this huge. And they are delicious.
The customers are just as diverse as the menu, from locals, hunters, oil field and wind turbine workers, to farmers and those just passing through.
We just love every minute, and we're loving it more every day because we're just getting so many people from farther distances away all the time.
It is quite a little drive, but it's worth it. It's worth the trip, I promise you that.
To find comfort in the food and the people at Tall Pauls. Discovering Oklahoma and Rocky, I'm Deanne Stein.